Probably at Dune Hill Pipe.
Was that 90? Because there's a picture that I saw at 1950.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, if I went back to that lot, I would definitely see it.
That crazy party.
That was a good party, that.
Coffee for the car.
Don't be desire.
Right, so we'll see you in London.
Leslie, I'm not going to impulse buy. I've already looked at the catalogue, I know what I'm buying.
Well, there is still some, but I mean, that was
they are going to do it.
horrible road. I always used to feel
It was that
my tyres were getting badly worn driving on them.
Oh, I hated this.
Yeah, that'd be good fun. The one that's actually opposite corner for Juliana's. Juliana's
No, it wouldn't annoy me. I would absolutely love it if you bought that. I would even love it even more watching you try to get into it.
And a bigger garage. by a foot.
Aye.
Look, here's the bag.
Brunch like
Oh, the public.
Again, the commodities.
Here's what I want.
I think you're used to much bigger camper vans than that.
Well,
though, you're not?
yes, but I could live in that. Neil was driving some sports car at the time, and Neil would says, I'll swap you my camper van for your sports car for the weekend. It was a Jensen I had, I remember.
Oh, the Jensen, aye. Jensen Healy.
Healy, yes. Jensen Healy GT, they called it. And I came back with Hillary, having been up in the Heelans with it, and Nate would tell his daughter, says, you know what speed Dad was doing in your car? 110.
Of course he would.
Of course he would, yes.
And what did you do with the camper van for the
Oh, I had a
weekend?
great buddy. I went up for up one of the Sky, I think we went to Hillary. It was just absolutely brilliant.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, I would have one of them tomorrow.
Brilliant.
This will go for 12.
I had a loan of one exactly the same colour, but not the Jag and the Daimler.
All right,
The V8.
Yes.
I had a shot of one of them for the weekend.
That was the 240, 2.4 V8 engine in that, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, batteries are smaller nowadays.
Aye, absolutely. That's a clean. Yes. I'm amazed at the quality of the machine you do that.
What did Brian have? Can you remember?
I can't remember, but it was a Camaro.
We drove them,
We all.
and we were all, and then cousin Sandy took us to our first ever drag race in his Ford Taurus estate wagon,
Aye,
station wagon thing, and he raced it and he won us a trophy. That we remember we brought the trophy.
It was not a Taurus, it was a Gran Torino.
Oh, Gran Torino. Right,
And
yeah,
it was,
yeah.
do you remember the Starsky and Hutch car?
Yes, the same
well,
as
it was
that.
the estate version of
Estate
that.
The
version.
same,
That's
right,
right.
right.
And
And
he-
in those colours, was it?
And he took all of the stuff, anything that was unboltable, he took everything out.
Everything out
Did
of it,
he
and
light
took
you right
the-
up?
And
great big air cleaner cover, big round thing. He unscrewed it, turned it upside down to get more air in, and off he went. And the drag race that he had with somebody
Wow.
else, he won it, and he got us our big trophy to bring home with us. And we brought that all the way home from Detroit.
And that trophy's
is it
in
now?
my
Still
workshop,
got
in my
it?
hut, aye.
Have you
It's in my
still got
man
it?
shed, aye.
Great.
In my man shed, it's in my man cave.
And your man came well done.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
fabulous.
Yeah, the TR7.
This is a V8.
Oh, yes, wow.
I can't remember if there was a factory V8 or if this is a conversion.
No, it was factory. Factory.
Right. Aye, that was the, yeah,
Same thing, it just had that 6-cylinder engine in it.
yeah, that's the 2-litre 4-cylinder engine that's
right.
in that.
It's smooth, eh?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
I was just telling my uncle, my twin, and when we were kids, my auntie had one of these, and she had to start it twice every time because because first one got a shot at pressing the button on the floor to start it,
Yeah.
and then she had to stop it so that the other one could get a shot at pressing the button to start it,
All right.
or we weren't going anywhere.
I changed this down here once.
The cylinder head, did you?
Cylinder head gasket, I changed that myself. I was always changing
That's
nuts on the rear
door pull
brakes.
and your
It
slidey
always
windows,
skewed to one side.
slidey windows, and then you had your,
The single windows. Did you know?
and then
Single, you know about dash? Starter button on
the starter button on the floor.
The starter button on the floor. Oh my goodness.
They were.
Right here. Yeah. I think Mel's dad had one of these,
Had he?
or something similar.
But this was clever how you got the whole open space. Powder blue, I think it's called, I think. I'm going to start guessing that's a yes, again, a clever design, didn't that? Both front and the back in there nicely.
Yeah, just follows through from the Mini.
This again has been restored, just looking.
I think I remember.
To see one of these with the bench seats, Pettifina, Winston's had a bench seat in there for a while. Winston Churchill's last car was a Pettifina Type Morris Oxford.
Was it?
It was.
I actually passed the test on one of these. That's how old I am.
My mother passed her driving test in one of these as well.
So your mother must be as old as me.
She's 74.
Oh, she's young. I'm 82, so she's got well.
I'm 149.
Yes. Look how low the black tube is setting.
Oh, it's a side valve.
Ah,
That's
yes, yes, yes.
interesting. What year was this? Did this come before the Morris Minor?
No, at the same time.
Came
I
with.
think. Same time, yeah.
That's interesting because it's a much older engine.
I like the modification here.
Yeah.
Right, you probably to get an original one of these would be very difficult.
Why would this have had the side valve engine on it when the Morris Minor had a much more modern
Transverse, is it?
B series engine in it or A series engine in it?
The Morris Minors had the same engine as the Minis, but they
Mini.
just transferred
Yeah,
around.
it was an A series, I think, wasn't it? But that's ancient, that thing with the side valve in it.
That's for switching the electric fans off of it, I would think.
The Interceptor with a Yankee Doodle engine. 7.2 litres.
7.2 litres. Passes everything but a petrol station.
well-used seat, Mike.
Did you ever drive one, Ian?
Aye, Yes, I think we took one back in at TBR against Tabura or something.
Still commission on this place, £2,000. Any chance to say quickly, £2,000 for there. All should have done to be this one there, 2,000. Last chance to live at £2,000, done to be at £2,000. So we, 2,000, as the fish, 2,000. Cheaper than company. 6 days,